One of the things, this animal here is a white darper, and if you look between the toes, the gristles, you lift the foot too high. One of the things is that with the white darper, their feet, the gristle here is very soft, and they get foot rot and infection between the toe very easily. This one to treat.
That's what you mean.
Yeah. Open it up and look at it. That hurt her. It want to treat. You see? Inside there is sore. Huh? You don't have no iodine?
The spray is right away.
What kind of spray you put there?
Curum.
Good evening, good evening. Today we are at a sheep farm here. I come to look at this herd of sheep that is here and check on the animals here. As you can see, they have tons and tons of grass cut here and bush and all different kind of forages they feed the animals on. I think they are preparing for the weekend to have enough forage. As you can see here, there is a chaff cutter machine. They use one of the diesel engine chaff cutter machines at this place, and a lot of forages here. So let us have a look at these animals. So we are here today with Mr. Butler. He's the one that take care of these sheep in St.Ann. So you can see the wool. One of the things that you can observe with these sheep, its question is always asked, these shear sheep, and what do we do in Jamaica? Well, these are basically, most of these are hairy type sheep, and if you take a look at them, some of them have the wool on them, but as they move around, you see that brown one there, the wool actually drop off them. They actually shed the fur, not the fur, what do you call it, the wool. The wool is shed little by little. You see the wool drop off. We do shear them sometimes, but generally speaking, as they move from here, you'll see that some of them, the wool is dropping off the sheep. Some of them have very little wool, some of them have a lot. If you look at this female here, her wool is now dropping off. That one, you can see her wool is dropping off. This one, most of the wool on the side of her is off, is gone. So these animals that are here, they only eat forages now. They are only being fed with grass and bush. They also give them some chin African tulips. And we're going to look at the rams. Let's take a look at some of these rams. So these are all crossbreed animals. Katahdin, Darper, black belly, that is inside this herd. This is a purebred Darper that you're seeing here, but he has a very serious face. He's standing up looking at us, as you can see. Them book you. You're not afraid of them? The one you're going there. You want to come up? No? No. Now this male here, you hear he's crying a lot. This lamb was just weaned off from his mother and he's crying. Mrs. Alright, Lynn, stay at the gate here, don't go inside. Go and just look at the foot. No, okay. Here, I'll catch it. Which foot? And foot I want cut.
That's not it. Go back down with that. That's not this man.
One of them was in here hopping.
No man, I never there for the white one.
And he was in here?
No man, down here son. None come over here so happy. I just this one that I lay down.
That's only the one that's a problem.